Our focus question, we still have the same 6 numbers, that 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, and 6. First of all, yesterday, we found the mode of these numbers of this data set. The mode was the number you see the most of, and in this case, it was 2 numbers, 2 and 4. Now we're going to find that range. The range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So the biggest number minus the smallest number. So that biggest number is going to be 6 here, and the smallest number is going to be 0. So our range is going to be 6 minus 0, which is just 6. So our range is going to be 6. And that is it. Whoa, I did not mean for that. I meant to do, gross yellow. Our range is going to be 6, and that's it for the focus question. Great job.